Hi, this is Raymond Rafferty with Ensage Technologies. We provide the technology solutions for US Business Network. And this video is the third of a three-part series on the new features of US Business Network. The first video was what can the general public see now, what's available to them. The second video was general marketing types of features or general features available to registered users. And then the third video, this one, is going to cover the new marketing package and what that entails. So let's just get started. I would encourage you to watch the first and second videos because it gives you background on what we're doing here. The new marketing package really consists of four different things. It consists of the Business Builder website, the template system, targeted websites, and directory listings. So let's start with the Business Builder website. If you've been a member of US Business Network before, then you recognize this. This was available as part of the basic membership, but since we've added some new features, we really need to bundle all this together. So the first part allows you to manage the basic information that shows up on your Business Builder site. So this is how do you want your name to show up, address information, any phone numbers that show up, what's the email address that shows up on your Business Builder site. And then the web page really allows you to change things like the subdomain of your URL. So in this case, Judy Forster, who has a marketing package, has http judyforster.rfsconsultant.com as well as the US Business Network Business Builder site of http judyforster.usbnweb.com. And this is where she would upload that picture. So you can upload a picture for your profile, but this picture is really designed to be the picture that the public sees on your Business Builder website. So let's take a look at the Business Builder website and what that does. So this is Judy's Business Builder website, and the home page is really geared to letting people know sort of what US Business Network is, the types of things that they do. There's a banner that scrolls around, talks about different things. We see a picture of Judy. We also see her different social networks that she belongs to, and so someone can click on this and go to her social network. Some testimonials, general information here about what is US Business Network. The About page gives them a little bit more information about US Business Network. It also gives them the ability to sign up. So if you have a Business Builder website, this is really where you want to send people that will join as part of your team. There's no confusion about putting in a member code or any of that other good stuff. Just send them right to this page, which is Judy Forster. Obviously, it would be your Business Builder page, wherever you choose as a subdomain, .usbnweb.com, and then the About page, and they just click Sign Up, and then this is where they can walk through the sign up process. Many of you probably use this initially in the past to become part of the network. The next page that's really important to you is the Services page. On the Services page, this is a list of different vendors and different services and products that are available to buy. So a customer of yours, potential customer, can come into this page, see all the different offerings that you have, click on one of them. Let's choose restaurant equipment leasing. They can get more information, and then they can see more information about what the mission is, Premier Funding Services, why lease, equipment types, financed, and then their pre-approval form. So this pre-approval form, once they fill this out, this is your referral form that comes from you. And again, since this came from your Business Builder website, we automatically tag it and we know that that referral was sent from you. So you don't even have to be with them when they're doing it. Really what you have to do is you have to advertise a site. And one of the pieces I'm going to show you a little bit is a great way to do that. Now you can send them to this page, which really is all of the different services, or let's say that you really want to send them just to, you're talking to somebody and they say, you know what, I'm really interested in this boat that I found. I need to find financing for that. And so obviously you're going to say to them, well, you know what, we can help you with that. So to do that, what I would suggest that you do is come into that specific referral form, and then you can share that with them by simply copying the URL, going to an email, creating an email, and then pasting that into your email here, and then just type it up and send it off to them. So that's a real simple way for you to do that. There's another great way to do this too. On every one of these pages we have a little sharing button, and the sharing button allows you to share a page in several different ways, actually over 300 different ways. You can save it out to your Facebook account, you can send it through Hotmail, through Twitter, AOL, and like I said, there are over 300 different ways and social networks and different ways to share this page. So one of the great things that you can do, for instance, is let's say that you want to share this up to your Facebook account. If you simply click the share and then Facebook, it's going to load my account. It's going to look for my page. But then once I share this, it's actually gone up to my Facebook account, and it's going to go onto my profile and onto here. So it's already got my link to it, and if I click on this link, this takes me back to that same page. Now again, I did this from Judy's Business Builder website, so it gave me Judy's URL in here. So but this is a great way. Share this information up to Facebook, to Twitter, to any of your social networks that you belong on, and put a special message in, and that's a great way to market this. We've also got within US Business Network, if you have a marketing package, you can add articles, or you can also share articles from your Business Builder site with other people. So for instance, in this case, I have articles, let's see, foreclosure or principal mortgage reduction. So I've got a little article here by David Chevalier, and since I've flagged this to come onto my Business Builder site, I have it here, and if I want to share this up to Facebook or to Twitter, or let's say I just want to email this out to somebody, I can click email, and then it's simply going to post this into, in this case I'm using Outlook, so it's simply posted in here a link to that, and then I can send this to whoever I'm interested in, and that will take them directly back to this same page, again within my Business Builder site. So it's really important for you to have the Business Builder site as a marketing tool to be able to direct people to you. And what you want to do is you want to feed as much information out in different ways as you can. We also have an RSS feed, and this is great. We'll show you some advanced marketing features down the road where you can use things like Twitter feed to feed this up to your Facebook account and out to your Twitter account, so these things automatically show up in those places without you really having to put much effort into it. But it brings people back to your Business Builder site. We also can do the same thing with media. So any of the videos that are shared out, you can use those as well. So let's go back to the main US Business Network site, and that's the Business Builder pages. We also have new targeted websites, and the targeted websites are really a single focus message about a particular service or product offering or a recruiting message. So let's take a look at one of these. Let's look at the 401k solution video and free book. And so again, you'll notice it's judyforrester.free401kbook.com. Again, you're only going to get this targeted marketing page if you have the marketing package. So I'm going to click on this, and then you'll notice that this brings me to my marketing page, judyforrester.free401kbook.com. It has a little video. It also has a free book giveaway, an ebook giveaway about 401ks if the person simply types in their name and puts in their email address. And so then this will go in as your lead, and then we'll notify you that this person is interested in that type of product offering. So currently we have 4 of these. We've got one about 401k solutions, predatory lending, real finance solutions, and then a recruiting one for US Business Network benefits. And we will be adding more of these as we go along, but this is really just to sort of get us started and kick this off. So that's the targeted websites. The next thing that's going to be important to you for the marketing package is we're beginning to build a list of templates for that are banners, email templates, and simple links back to various web pages and so forth. So for instance, let's just look at a banner template. This is a really simple US Business Network scrolling banner. And what this does is this gives you a little piece of HTML code in here that you just click on the HTML button, you highlight it and copy it. And now if you have a Facebook account, blog someplace, or some other account, then you can just post that piece of HTML into that site. So for instance, we can take this piece of HTML code here, let's copy this out, and we're going to paste this into our Facebook page. So let's go up to Facebook, open a new tab here. And by the way, this is just on Facebook. You can do this in any different blogs and post HTML. There's a ton of different places on the web that you can do this. So we want to go to my wall. So let me go to Profile. And what we need to do is we need to go to Notes. If you don't have Notes, you can press the plus button and then Notes should show up, so you should be able to add one. So let's write a note, put in a title, and then I'm simply going to paste in that HTML code that I had. I can preview it just to be sure that it looks right, and sure enough, this is it. If I click on this link, it'll take me back there, but I want to go ahead and publish this. So now this shows up on my wall. If I go back to Profile, and you'll see on my wall, this shows up here. So now those people that have me linked, they're going to see this as well. If they click on this, they can click back here and it takes them back to my Business Builder website. Let's go back to templates. So that's a banner template. So it's a fairly simple thing to do there. Let's go back to General Templates. And let's say that we want to send an email. We've got a few emails that we start in here. We're building more as we go. And we've got several from Real Finance Solutions. And in this case, we have a subject line, which I can edit here. We also have the HTML for the email. And you'll notice one of the things it has is it has click here to learn more about the certification course. Well, if you actually click on this link, this takes me to Judy's website, and it has that video that's embedded here. But again, it's Judy's Business Builder website for Real Finance Solution. All right. You can actually copy and paste this HTML out of here and paste it into an email. But what I really recommend that you do, click Send Email to My Account, and then it will send the email to you. And then you can simply forward that to anybody. So this works whether you have Gmail, this works if you have Outlook, if you're using any type of email product or web service, you can send it to yourself and then you can forward that on to others. And it's a real simple way for you to build in some marketing campaigns using the new marketing package templates. Finally, what I want to show you is my directory listing. This allows you to manage your directory listing. And the directory listing shows up under Business Directory, which is available to the general public. I can add an image in here for my listing. And by the way, this doesn't have to be you. This could be, you can post this up as any business that you want to advertise. It's really just a separate advertising vehicle for you from our Business Directory. And the name of the business, the street address, city, state, zip, and all that good stuff. And then once you save that, it goes out to the Business Directory, which again, if you go back to video 1, anybody from the general public can see these. We have a pretty good hit ratio on these. There's not a lot of businesses out here right now, but we have quite a few hits from Google and Bing and a couple of the different search engines. So that's pretty much it for the marketing package. To subscribe to the marketing package is very simple. So from here, what we're going to do, if you go to marketing, you'll notice I don't have the marketing package options under here, but I do have a subscribe, or I can go to the marketing overview. They both really take me to the same place. At the bottom of the page, it's going to take me to click here to add the US Business Network marketing package. Again, I can only do this if I'm a registered member. And what you'll see here are two different options. We provide a monthly option for $19.99 a month, Or if you want to save yourself a couple months worth of payments, you can actually pay in advance for 1 year.